So in this section, we're going to be converting radians to degrees and degrees to radians. So what is a radian? We've learned that your circumference is going to be of a full circle is 2 pi. So 0 and 2 pi would start at the beginning here. And we know halfway around the circle would be pi. So this is pi, this is 2 pi. So if we transfer this into degrees, we know this is 0 degrees or 360 degrees. And we know halfway around pi and 180 degrees is the same. So we're going to use this as our conversion unit. If we have degrees and radians and we want to switch them, we're going to use pi and 180 since those are equivalent. Okay, let's say for example we have this unit in degrees and we want to transfer it into radians. We're going to use our conversion factor. We know 180. We're going to put the degrees down here so that our units cancel out and we're left with radians on top. So pi is the same as 180 degrees. So here we're going to multiply straight across. We got 50. Degrees are going to cancel out. Pi over 180. I can simplify that fraction into my calculator. We have 50 over 180 equals 5. Oh, I could have done that without the calculator. 5 over 18 pi. And once in a while, on Math Excel, it's going to ask you to write this as a decimal. So usually this is acceptable because it's exact. But if they ask you to write it in a decimal, you're going to do 5 times pi divided by 18 equals, so this is or, and depending on how many decimal places they want, this is about 0.873. And that would be radians. Okay, the next example, suppose we have something in radians and we want to convert it to degrees. So again, here we're going to use this. I want to put this on top, and we're going to use our conversion factor. I want to get rid of this pi, so we're going to put the pi on the bottom, and we're going to be left with degrees on top. So the pi's cancel out here. We got 3 times 180, 540 over 4. That gives you 135 degrees.